Hi, this is Scott Brown with a P10 review of the Autel 4-step intelligent ADAS calibration workflow process with the addition of the IA800 3D camera upgrade kit. Now, when tasked with carrying out a static camera calibration, one is typically required to place a target within specific coordinates around the vehicles. Now, many of the OEM procedures for placing such targets can be very complex and time-consuming. Now, this is where the Autel Red Frame along with the IA800 upgrade kit shines. Now, Autel is a leader in this space, being one of the first to market with their Red Frame and laser measurement system. Today, they're now offering a greater level of efficiency with the addition of the new IA800 3D camera system, where one can leverage their streamlined calibration procedures. Proper wheel alignment metrics are critical in achieving accurate calibration of ADAS sensors and proper system operation. It is up to you as a calibrator to ensure that these steps are being carried out accurately. Additionally, documenting your steps can be very tedious and time-consuming. With the Autel system, the documentation process is simple and goes a long way in not only adding value to your services, but also demonstrating professional competencies. The Autel system brings all of this together with a full system scan, wheel alignment pre-check, target positioning, calibration procedures, post-scan operations, followed up with the output of a comprehensive report that properly documents all your work.
With all 4 wheel targets installed, the Autel software will guide the technician through the steps to complete the wheel alignment pre-check. Once the frame is positioned, the technician can then walk to the back of the vehicle with the Autel tablet in order to perform the rollout procedure wirelessly. Then, after assessing the wheel alignment angles as OK to proceed with camera calibration, the system will guide the user to remove only the front wheel targets from the vehicle, and then through the entire process of installing the appropriate targets on the frame and quickly positioning the frame and target assembly in order to carry out the static calibration.
Now, as you can see, the Autel team is continually improving their ADAS calibration offerings, and to date, this system is hard to beat. Anyhow, that's my review of the IA800 3D camera targeting add-on for the Autel Red Frame. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and thanks for watching.